What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the Pinnacle, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly access emojis on your MacBook Pro. Okay, so here I'm sending an email to a friend here, Sean Craig, and I would like to use some emojis here, right? So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna press Control Command Space. So Control Command, you can press them before pressing space. Okay. Well, I mean, make sure Control and Command are pressed before pressing space. Okay, so Control Command Space, and bam, look at this. We have all the emojis of the world. So wow, right? Everything is kind of here. Haha. Objects, symbols, what are these guys? Oh my god, flags. All the flags. Oh, is it Finland or something? Yeah, it's Norway, never mind. Letter-like symbol, pictographs, whatever, you name it, we have it. So yeah, that's the way you summon these emojis and whatever. So yeah, I hope everything's going well. Yeah, gonna use that. So once again, command control space or control command space, either way, either this way or that way, it works. Okay, so bam bam, just like that, you press control command and space and summon the emojis and use them, as much as possible. So that's it from me for this time. Stay tuned. More videos are on the way. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.